Already. Quarter-size hail. This is gonna be fun. Let's see. Yes? Yeah? Alright, let's see. I'm surprised it's not going nuts.
For the following county, Greene, Pennsylvania.
Greene County!
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Alright.
southwestern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia.
I never knew Monongalia was a
County
county.
in northern West Virginia, Marion County in northern West Virginia until 4 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the
Alright, I'm in the kitchen. Dear God, it looks awful!
moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Yeah.
Source,
Here and Greene County.
impact, expects damage to trees and power lines.
I don't know. I'm just gonna have to record these alerts. Oh God, the power went out.
Morgantown, Fairmont,
Yeah, my radio. Yeah, my radio actually told me power outages were expected before this alert was issued, of course.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling.
Okay, never mind. Power went back on. I'm going to be expecting the power to go out several times.
Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
And the power went out again.
Weather bulletin.
Alright, power was back off again. I'm just gonna go out and check. Oh my God, it's awful! It looks awful! So I guess this is what happens when... What is this? What? This is some sort of slight risk. This is some sort of risk. I don't know what risk it is. Slight? Marginal? Whatever. Oh hey, the power's back on. Another severe thunderstorm warning. Holy shit. I'm on a roll.
Weather bulletin.
He's in the living room.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, Fayette, Indiana, and
Armstrong now?
The
Damn.
National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Apollo, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
35? Oh my God.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines,
Resulting in some power outages.
Locations impacted include Greensburg, Indiana, Latrobe, Vandergrift, Katanning, Homer City, Apollo, Mount Pleasant, Scottsdale, Muscasnetown, Loyalhanna, Blairsville, and Yorkwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National
I swear to
Weather
God,
Service
if it's gonna be a
Pittsburgh
doubleheader.
Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather bulletin. For the following
That's a relief.
county in
Shoot, I
southwestern
forgot to
Pennsylvania,
record.
Southeastern Greene County
Anyways,
in southwestern
another severe
Pennsylvania,
thunderstorm warning.
Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, eastern Marion County in northern West Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morgantown, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Fairmont, Uniontown, Connellsville, Westover, Kingwood, Star City, Terra Alta, Rollsburg, Scottsdale, Pleasant Valley, and Winfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin. For the following county,